Hello everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to get started with Clicker, which is a wonderful software that will help our students with writing. There are different options for both computer and mobile platforms, and I will be going over both of those in this video. First, with a computer platform, select the different type of software you would need, whether it's Windows or Mac. Then you're going to select the region in which you live and choose that program, and then click the icon that says download. Once the file is ready for download, go through the different steps. On the last page of the download, you will see an option to enter in your serial code number, and go ahead and enter the serial code number that corresponds to you. Once you have the program installed, you can open it. There is a shortcut option to have it on your desktop. And there is a lot of customization to Clicker. You could develop your own grids, and really you could explore the program in different ways. But if you want to get started quickly, there is a option to have a grid that's already made. And if you want to access that, click the link that has the globe icon. It's at the very top of the toolbar. Once you have that option selected, you'll see a huge array of different grids that are already made for you under the Learning Grids tab. On the left side, you will see a toolbar that has different customization options, and you can play around with that depending on what your needs are. When you see a grid that you like, go ahead, click on the green icon that says open, and you can get started. If you are using a mobile platform, you can download the app through the App Store. Once you have the app downloaded, go ahead and fill in the information that is relevant to you. Once the app is downloaded, you can get started with the program. There is also a file icon at the top that you can select if you would like to use a pre-made grid, and then select the option from the drop-down menu that says Learning Grids. Here you'll see again another option to filter out the different resources that are opening and available to you. So select the one that you like best and click the open green icon, and you can get started. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.